Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add your debit card in Tabby. All right, so let's begin with the video. To add your credit card in the Tabby app, start by opening the app on your phone and logging into your account if needed. Once you're inside, look for your profile icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your personal details and payment options. From your profile section, find Payment Methods option and tap on Add New Payment Method. From this page, choose the option to add a new card. You'll then be asked to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Carefully type in all the required information, making sure everything is correct to avoid any issues. Once you've filled in the details, confirm the process, and your credit card will be added successfully to your Tabby account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add your debit card in Tabby. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.